Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve the last half circle if you are left with three pieces which are not properly placed and entire cube is solved. So first we need to bring the similar half circle next to this. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to use this half circle. So what we'll do is we'll first replace this orange with blue like this, and then we'll place it in such a fashion that we can replace it over here. So what we'll do is we'll first replace it with white and then with orange, and now we can replace white again. Okay, so now you can see we have two orange half circles which are in same orbit. Okay, so now you can move your cube like this, and you have to do this move. So it was like this, so you will have to do this move, and then you will have to move this orange like this, and this orange on top like this. So wherein a center piece of orange is on left side of this equator line, and two orange pieces which are not properly placed on right hand side, and here you will see two pieces on left hand side and one piece on right side. So this will be the position. Now we'll have to use 3-cycle algorithm. So this piece will come here in place of this center piece, because this is also centerpiece, this is also centerpiece, so this will not get disturbed, and this piece will come here in place of this piece, and this piece will come here. So our cube, half circle, will be solved. So I'll just show you how. So we need to hold it like this and up, take this right like this, again up, this is right side, then take this left, down, take this right and down. So now we can see this is solved and this is also solved, and now we have to undo what we have done to replace this orange circle. So we have to first place this, then we have to place this. Okay, and now we have this orange one which we have to place it back. So this is blue and this is orange, so simply what we can do is we can bring this both the pieces together and replace it and bring it back. So this is solved. What we can do is we can replace it with this blue like this and orange like this, and now we can place it back. So our cube is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you.